Today, I'm going to walk you through how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tweak your browser settings so websites can remember your preferences, keep you signed in, or deliver personalized experiences. So whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just want a smoother browsing session, you'll be all set. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by opening up your Google Chrome browser. If you're already using it, you can just navigate to a fresh tab. If not, find the Chrome Yao icon, it's that colorful circle, on your desktop or in your applications list, and give it a click. Getting the browser open is always our starting point, since all settings changes happen right here. Once Chrome is up, look up in the top right-hand corner of the window. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. This icon is sometimes called the More button. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open up a menu with lots of options that give you access to everything from your history, to downloads, to Chrome's settings. If you ever find yourself stuck in Chrome, remember, the three dots are like the master control panel for your browser. Now, from that drop-down menu, look for Settings. It's usually near the bottom, so if at first you don't see it, just scroll down a bit. Click Settings to open up your main Chrome Preferences window, where you can adjust all kinds of features, like security, appearance, and even how tabs behave. Next, look to the left-hand side of the Settings page and find an option labeled Privacy and Security. Give that a click. This section controls how Chrome handles your personal information and data, including cookies, site permissions, and safe browsing features. It might take a moment to spot, but once you're in, you're just a few clicks away from cookie settings. Inside the Privacy and Security section, locate third-party cookies. Cookies are tiny bits of data that websites save to make your browsing smoother, like remembering what was in your shopping cart or keeping you signed in. Third-party cookies come specifically from services outside the website you're visiting, and some sites need these enabled to work properly, especially for personalized recommendations or login functionality across platforms. If you see that Block Third-Party Cookies is currently selected, it means Chrome isn't allowing these cookies right now. That can cause some websites to lose features or not load as expected. Thankfully, switching it is easy. Just select Allow Third-Party Cookies. This change lets Chrome accept those tiny data packets from trusted sources, which can help bring back things like website logins or custom recommendations. Once you're done, simply close the tab. No need to hit save or restart Chrome. Your settings take effect immediately, so you can get right back to browsing with cookies enabled. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.